Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Myself, Zunaira Azam. Dear students, hope you are well and doing great. The video on the topic Control of Microorganisms by Physical Method contain both instructive and educational content. The video on this topic is both shareable and easy to understand. So let's move towards the topic Control of Microorganisms by Physical Method. First of all, we will discuss about some important key points. Preservation, heat, autoclaves, pasteurization, refrigeration and freezing, pressure, desiccation, radiation, filtration. So, let's talk about preservation. What is preservation? For thousands of years, humans have used various physical methods for microbial control. Common control methods include the application of high temperature radiation, filtration, and desiccation, among others. Many of these methods most specifically kill salts by disrupting membranes, changing membrane permeability, or damaging proteins and nucleic acids by denaturation, degradation, or chemical modification. Heat. Heat is one of the most common and oldest forms of microbial control. It is used in simple techniques like cooking and canning. Heat can kill microbes by altering their membrane and denaturing proteins. The thermal death point (TDP) of a microorganism is the lowest temperature at which all microbes are killed in a 10-minute exposure. Different microbes will respond differently to high temperature, with some that is endosperm formers such as C. botulinum. A similar parameter, the thermal death (TDT), is the length of time needed to kill all microorganisms in a sample at a given temperature. Here is the diagram in which you can see these parameters are often used to describe sterilization procedures that use high heat, such as autoclaving. However, boiling is less effective at killing endospores. Some endospores are able to survive up to 20 hours of boiling. Protocols can be broken down into two main categories: dry heat sterilization, moist heat sterilization. What is dry heat sterilization? Dry heat sterilization can also be applied for relatively long periods of time, at least 2 hours. Moist heat sterilization is typically the more effective protocol because it penetrates cells better than dry heat does. What is autoclave? Autoclaves rely on moist heat sterilization. They are used to raise temperature above the boiling point of water to sterilize items such as surgical equipment from vegetative cells, viruses, and especially endospores, which are known to survive boiling temperatures without damaging the items. Charles Amberand designed the modern autoclave in 1879. Outside laboratory and clinical settings, large industrial autoclaves called retorts allow for moist heat sterilization on a large scale. In gravity displacement, autoclave steam is introduced into the chamber from the top or sides. In pre-vacuum sterilizers, air is removed completely using a high-speed vacuum before introducing steam into the chamber. You can see in this diagram. Pasteurization. What is pasteurization? Pasteurization is a form of microbial control for food that uses heat but does not render the food sterile. Traditional pasteurization kills pathogens and reduces the number of spoilage causing microbes while maintaining food quality. The process of pasteurization was first developed by Alois Pasteur in the 1860s as a method for preventing the spoilage of beer and wine. High temperature short time (HTST) pasteurization exposes milk to a temperature of 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Ultra high temperature UHT pasteurization, in which the milk is exposed to a temperature of 138 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. In this diagram, you can also see the process of pasteurization. Just as high temperature are effective for controlling microbial growth, exposing microbes to low temperature can also be an easy and effective method of microbial control, with the exception of cycloids, which Now we will discuss about pressure. Exposure to high pressure kills many microbes in the food industry. High pressure processing, also called pascalization. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is sometimes used to treat infections. What is respiration? Drying, also known as respiration or dehydration, is a method that has been used for millennia to preserve foods such as raisins, pernice, and jerky. Freeze drying or lyophilization is another method of desiccation in which an item is rapidly frozen, also known as snap frozen, and placed under vacuum so that water is lost by sublimation. What is radiation? Radiation in various forms, from high energy radiation to sunlight, can be used to kill microbes or inhibit their growth. Ionizing radiation introduces troublesome ranks burned in breaks Indian molecules. Non-ionizing radiation is commonly used for sterilization and uses less energy than ionizing radiation. What is filtration? Filtration is a method of physically separating microbes from samples. It is commonly filtered through high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will better understand this topic.